Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have a Samsung Smart Things washer and dryer, and for the washer it's very important that you you clean their filter every 2 months as per the user manual. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you have not already subscribed, please go and subscribe. Alright. So at the bottom of your machine, you'll see a panel like this. It's easy to open. So there are two things. One is emergency drainage pipe, okay, and then this is the filter. So in order to open it, you have to rotate it anti-clockwise and then pull it out. But before that, we need to take this cap out and clean the pipe. So I'm gonna do that. So I took the cap out by rotating it anti-clockwise, and some water is falling. So it's always good to have like some container where you can actually collect the water. I'm in washroom, so it's still okay, but not at every place. And this is how the cap looks like. So once it is done, insert the cap once again. So as you can see, I have inserted the cap. Next is to clean this filter. So this we need to rotate anti-clockwise and then open it out. As you can see, I'm rotating it anti-clockwise and I'm taking it out. So this we have to clean nicely. Mine looks okay, but sometimes based on the load and other things that you carry, you may have it very dirty. So this needs to be cleaned, so I'm gonna do that. So after you cleaned it, just we gotta put it back, okay, and this time rotate clockwise and tight nice. Okay, it will be locked at one push. So that's it. Do this every 2 months so that the life of your or you can say the cleaning efficiency of your washer remains good and safe. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.